Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and we have Auto to Manual Part 3. Let's get started. And we're getting ready to put the starter back on. We have a brand new starter, also got some brand new hardware from Downstar. Shout out to those guys again. We also have our axles. We're getting ready to put those on today so we can get the wheels back on the car and then get it set back down on the ground and then drive it up on the ramps and get the shift linkage and everything put back into place. Alright, and we have the starter put on, we have the axles in, we have the control arm bolts in, ball joint nuts, cotter pins, and the axle nuts are torqued down to spec. But before we get the wheels put on and put it back on the ramps, we're going to get them cleaned off, get them shined up, tires as well. So. Alright, I'm getting ready to put the shift linkage back in the car, but I have to put a new bushing and slides inside of the shifter because the old one was rusted out. And then also have to grease the cage and rubber boot and put this back in here. So far we have one shift bar in, and then we're gonna get the other shift linkage bar. I have a brand new roll pin ready to go in, and we also have to do the shifter right back there and hook it up. Alright, and we have the bushing back here bolted up. Everything's bolted, tightened down, all greased the right way. The roll pin is in. I went through the gears a few times, and each gear goes in very nicely. I had to tap 2 holes right here for 3/8 bolt and a locking nut. Alright, and I got the automatic pedals out, and we had to drop the steering wheel and remove the steering column in order to get some room to remove them. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe down below. Until next time, take care. Peace.